Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Discuss Copy webinar YouTube channel and watching Forex Trade Rakesh. October. Today is Monday. I'm a Discuss Copy trading community. My name is I'm your host. Kindly do not confuse me as an employee of Discuss Copy. I'm not an employee. All the views, opinions that I'm going to are of, and they have nothing. The next few minutes, I will be discussing the key levels of importance for all the major currency. Further instrument process, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts and how we can use levels that are setups. I will be using them so that we have some maximum potential possible. For those who are new here, let me tell you that not a trade. These are just or you can see webinars for them on the chart so that we can the trades. Without further ado, let me the risk first and kindly go through this risk very important that you go properly. Want you can pause it that have a complete understanding of what we are. In a nutshell, this should be as a trading not as a trading device but only as a to your own so you put your money on the line. All right, talk about the key levels for the dollar index. Guys, this is the dollar index, the daily chart of dollar, right? Here you can see that this is there is a breakdown chart. After breakdown, the price went higher and Sundays. But if you look at the price carefully, this process, price was coming down. It made a low here. This low is 105 point, and this is lower than this particular low. Price made a high, was higher than this one, and then made a low here, which was lower. So here, so that the price has made is lower than this particular low. So in this case, the price has breached the market structure. Price was making higher highs, higher lows. Here, after making higher high, it made a lower low. This means we are expecting a lower high and a lower low to what is expected. Now you know what are the key levels. Key levels for us is higher 107.03. The lower is 105.2 here in the dollar index. Similarly, in case of euro, have now this falling channels resistance area as the resistance. Also, this horizontal level of 1.039 is for us to cater for support. I think 1.0448 the level of support for the euro. Similar is the case of Great Britain pound. The falling channel may provide some the coming time. Otherwise, we have a resist possible around 1.237 area, and the support may be seen around 1.2105 area. The very strong support is around 1.203. Indian dollar also has this low, which is around 0.6859, and this low is 0.6851. The lower low you can say, and it was a higher low. The RSI has a positive divergence. That means bullish divergence. That the price is possible. There is a possibility that the price will start rising from here and may go towards 0.500. Yeah? And if the price breaches this level and goes higher, then we will become buyers on this one. Till the time it doesn't do like this, maybe see as an instrument turning may happen. Okay, so for higher side 0.6500, for lower side 0.625. The USD JPY I am not trading to 150.15 and not higher than 147 trading these here, but these are the two levels of interest for us. Them on USD CAD we have seen lower levels now. We are not interested in market also because it is not a particular trend. HF we are sellers in this market. Why? Because the market rejection here and thereafter rejection from expected that the price will go towards 0.8894 in the coming days, but in the process I think 0.8986 and 0.90 should be acting as a good level of case of silver. The price has already reached the level of resistance form of this channel, but yes, horizontal resistance is around 23.78, and the horizontal level of support is around 21.73, and thereafter 25, and there is the case for gold. Went higher, made a high 9030, what was 9032.7, and thereafter it has started coming down. 1900 is the support from where I am expecting another push to the higher side. Very strong support is lying at around 18. Brent after move higher is expecting some resistance from this rising channel. Well, now it has stuck between the resistance by this channels, support by the rectangles levels, but it is very dynamic in nature. It will keep increasing. In the longer run, I think Brent is good, but maybe because of war or situation something like this, there is a high probability that the price will rise and go. Bitcoin here made an intraday rush to the upward, but did not sustain and was sold. So prices again at the level from where it started, although there is an reach of the upside, but still it is trading below this level of 28,550. I will keep my level intact and I'll see it as a result. For support, you can bank on 2480. Ethereum has also done something similar. Support for the Ethereum is here around 1519 and resistance is around 1750. Euro Audi, very nice breakout from here from I will say inverse head and shoulder. A clean breakout. You see the price has closed on the high of the day, then following day there was a support, and then there was Sunday and Monday. Yes, there is a push to the downside, but I'm expecting this area to hold as a support like this. This is what I'm expecting, but right now, yes, price has in some lows on the intraday. If you switch to 1 hour, you will see that around 0.30, I think there is a lot of support here. 1.630 area, there is a lot of support in this. Prices upward now. 1.6651 may provide some resistance to the price, but if it doesn't, then this can or this have the potential to go towards 1.6893 as well as 1.70. But in New Zealand, we have a strong resistance at around 1.0718. Let us see what happens when the price reaches there, and the support is around 1.0559. AUD sell off is expected, but even if it starts rising from here, sell off is still expected around 1.9463. Right now, price has a resistance at 1.9285. Support may be experienced somewhere here where the price is 1.904 and just at 30 have breached, and I think we will close above 33902, which was a very strong support in the past 1 to 5 days of resistance. If it closes higher here, then we can expect some buying. The price goes back to this and then an area of interest for us. An eye on this one, guys. Talking about the CAD CHF, just push to the upside with the I think intention of selling off this market. 0.6540 is the area of interest for us where we can expect some buyers. Otherwise 0.6616 will keep acting as a resistance. CAD, although this is today, but this bullishness can end around 1.6810. These two levels around 1.6810 and 1.6854, these are the two levels of interest for the sellers. Expect the sellers to enter here and then push the prices back toward 1.6356. That GBP. The tech we are bullish on. We are expecting something like this. Price should strike here around 15.8, come back, test it as right now. Support is around 50. The support is around 14,830 and the resistance around 15. What is JPY? We are bearish in this one, but here it looks like the price is making a triangle. Why not to get that triangle? Let us see how the things unfold, but this is triangle right now in force. Direction price is headed, but most probably it is going to go down. PJPY above 183.01, we be looking for buying entry. I told you that it went higher, and then we should have been looking for buy entry. If you have not been looking, then now keep an eye on around 186.76. I think this is the level where the price can go. On the downside, the support must be around 179.55. On the upside, we can have resistance from 183.81 after 186.76. Last is GBP a very clean close below the strong level, but we had marked this level on our chart. Level is an ultimate level. Till the time the price is trading above 1.0894, we are not selling this market. Although we were expecting the price to test this level and then go and test this resistance, but it has happened before that. So I'm not willing to sell it right now, but I want it to test 1.0894 and then sell it. So I'm only selling this market below 1.08. The level of interest for us now are 1.0894 to the downside, 1.01055 on the upside, guys. That's all from my side. If you have any question, feel free to ask me or join me tomorrow 1700 hours again for the new webinar. So guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade and for a potential of profit more than 3 times the risk that you. With this note, I will end this live stream. Press the like button if you find this video. You can also leave your suggestions in the comment section and please consider subscribing to the channel for more such. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700. Bye bye. Take care.